Start with the scope.ccx file your administrator or vendor provided. Double-click it. Adobe Creative Cloud takes over, recognizes the package, and installs the panel automatically. No folders to move, no permissions to set. When Creative Cloud confirms the install is complete, close Photoshop if it's running, then launch it again. Photoshop needs a clean start to register a new UXP panel. Once Photoshop is open, go to the Plugins menu at the top of the screen. You'll see Scope listed. Click it, and the Scope panel opens and docks alongside your other panels. Drag it to wherever fits your workspace. The first time you open the panel, and only the first time, Scope will present a license activation screen. This is by design. Scope is license per workstation, and the license key ties your installation to the amount of users associated to the license. Have your license key ready? It will have been issued to you by your administrator or directly by Touchbase Forensics, typically by email. Paste the key into the activation field and press Activate. Scope validates the key. If the key is valid, the panel transitions into the standard Scope workspace, and you'll see the full toolbar, the document selectors, and the green status indicator confirming the image processing engine is ready. If the key is rejected, double-check that you've copied the full string, including any dashes. If the problem persists, contact your administrator. They can reissue or transfer your license. You only need to do this once. From this point on, Scope opens directly to the workspace every time you launch it. That's the full install. Scope is now ready for casework on this workstation.